Well, joining me right now is Ryan Getty. He is a professor of criminal justice at Sac State. He's an expert in police use of force, also officer-involved shooting investigations, and you've been involved in those investigations. You're also ex-law enforcement. So we've had a chance to talk, and I asked you earlier, what surprised you about the DA's announcement, and you said there was one thing that really did surprise you.
Much like all the other people, I was surprised that the criminal history was brought out and some of the things that went on prior to the shooting, and I understand kind of why she announced this, but I'm still not sure that she quite made a difference between we're only investigating for probable cause and we're looking into the mind of the person at the time.
Right. And again, I mentioned that you have been involved with officer-involved shooting investigations, and looking back now on her comments talking about when the officers engaged Stephon Clark, they said gun, 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 they pulled back, they looked back around, and then she showed the picture where it looks like it was a flash, something that the officers discerned as possibly light reflecting off of a gun. Let's talk about the split-second decisions that have to be made by police officers in a situation like that.
It happens so quickly, and police officers are trained in how to use their weapons and to recognize different types of threats. But once you have low-light situations and people moving, and the officers had just come off running and their stress level was up, so you've got the kind of the tunnel vision and the hearing starts to go and the fine motor skills. Yeah.
What's that reaction like, though?
It has to be really quick.
Yeah.
It has to be. I mean, I've personally kind of equated it to a major league batter. You have just that much time to figure out whether to shoot or don't shoot. It's tough.
And back on the officers again, you've served for years in various police forces. When an officer is involved in a shooting like this where someone dies, what does that do to them? What does that do to a person?
In my experience, they're never the same. I mean, they're always second guessing and have to go through all kinds of different debriefings, and then there's the lawsuits, and it never seems to end for them as well. So they're kind of living a long life of bitterness and anger. And
are there questions
anguish.
Like, should I have done that?
Always, always.
And you kind of described it almost as a death of a sort.
Yes, it's certainly their career death. Even if the chief can't find anything that they did policy and procedure-wise, I don't foresee any scenario where they would still be on the street and possibly even in law enforcement after this.
All right, Ryan Getty, appreciate your time and coming in on this Saturday. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
All right, guys, back to you.